In this video, we'll learn how to create the glow effect. We'll start by creating a black solid layer by clicking the adjustment layer, clicking on solid color, then selecting the black color, clicking OK. Then we'll go to the adjustment layer and select color balance. We'll clip the color balance to the black solid color and we adjust our mid-tone. We'll take the scent this to the red, the extreme, and we'll take this to the yellow extreme. We'll change the shadow, we'll move this to the red a bit, then we'll move this to the right a bit. We'll pick the highlight, we'll do the same thing, we'll move this to the right a bit, I'll move this to the left a bit. Then in between the color balance and the black color layer, we'll create a new layer and we'll name it glow. On this layer, we'll pick our brush, we'll make sure the top color is white, then we adjust our brush to the size, then we can now brush to reveal the glow effect, making sure your flow is 0, opacity to whatever you want it to be, then you brush to reveal the glow effect. To see the glow effect on your image below, what you need to do is select the black solid color, you come to your blend mode and you change it to screen. Now I can see the beauty of the glow effect on this image. You can move this effect around by picking your move tool, clicking on the glow layer and dragging it to wherever you want. You can also increase the size. To add other glow effects, you can create another layer by clicking on this glow and creating a new layer. Then you pick your brush and brush over the part you want to. So let me brush over the earring of this model. I want the glow to be here. Okay. You can also change the color to suit you. So how do you change the color? You click on the color balance. You can move this to the other end, the mid-tone. Let's make it a bit cooler. You do the same for the shadow and the highlight. Take it as wherever. Make it more towards the blue. If you want it this way, this is fine. Alright, but that's the glow effect. Then you can also touch the highlights to make it a bit cooler. Yeah, so this is how you create your glow effect. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow for more. Thank you.